Good evening, sir. So this is my level 7 practical exam code done in Python, sir. So first, sir, here I have the code which I use to send the data to ThinkSpeak. So, sir, first I have imported all the libraries, sir, and so I have created a window called TK. So in that window, it will have a title called LED control using ThinkSpeak and tkinter. And so I have created a definition here, sending data. So to send the data and message to ThinkSpeak, and each button so I press, for example, on, so this data will be sent to ThinkSpeak, and through ThinkSpeak it will be received to Arduino. And so I have given some print commands here that like, for example, your message sent successfully and return success. And here, sir, I have given a button called on, and status is sending data. That means it will send a data called on, and if the status is success, that means if the data has been sent, the message box like a pop-up will open, LED status, LED turned on. And next also I have done the same for off, the off button. Here's the button widget, sir. So I have given button on, which is equal to button. I have given the window, the text will be on, and also the command will be on. So if I click this button, it will give me a pop-up also, and saying that the LED has turned on, and the command will be on. And also in this off, I have given the same, and that is almost it for Python. And I have given the screen width and length and the window.main. Yes, so that's for Python. I'll show you the Arduino code now. Yes, sir, this is the code I have done in Arduino IDE. So also here I have included the libraries, then I have given the string value, and so here, so I have int LED, that's the variable I use for the LED. It is in digital pin 4, and I have given the character ID and my password for my internet, and I have given the channel ID of ThinkSpeak, then the field number and the read API key. And so in the setup I have given the details for Wi-Fi and serial, and I have also shown the pin mode of LED is equal to output also. And the loops are the internet and get data. Then also in the loop I have given if the value is equal to on, digital write, the LED pin will be turned on, and the same for off. And in get data, so like the internet packages, then the ThinkSpeak string values, etc. here, and all the data receiving, and if the data is failed, all the comments are here. And yes, sir, all the things are here like connections and attempting to connect to SSID. Yes, sir, that is it for Arduino, sir. Now I'll show you the output. So sir, here's my app in tkinter, and it has two buttons, on and off. And so now when I click the on button, it gives a pop-up called LED turned on. And so as you can see here, my LED has turned off. So now I'll show you, sir. So when the button is clicked, the data was sent to Arduino, and Arduino turned on the LED. Now, so I'll turn it off. Now it gives me a pop-up saying LED turned off, and the LED has turned off. So because the Python is sending data to the ThinkSpeak, it takes some time to turn on and off the LED, because there's a delay to it. So whenever the data is sent, and it takes time to process it. So I'll just try again. I'll click on, LED turned on, and my LED has turned on. Yes, sir, that is all about it. Thank you.